Hello everybody, welcome to another charting session here on the channel. Today is February 5th, 2024, and I'll be going over some trades I took today and what price will most likely do for the next coming week. So first, let's go over the trades I took today. So in the very beginning of this morning, I wanted to see us have a push up at the open, but that did not happen. So I'm going to go to the 5-minute here. And this is where we were this morning. We were right here, and I was wanting us to pump up and take out this high right here and possibly come up to these equal highs before heading lower, but we did not do that. We just went straight down. And so the first trade that I took, we had gone down, and I am kind of not happy about this trade. So we had taken out this sell side level and this sell side level, and we went down here, and I wanted to take a trade into this 1 minute for value gap as an inverse. So we had this inverse, came up, went back down again, and I was entering into the inverse of this. So I entered right here, and I got stopped. We came back here, and then it came back down, and I got stopped right here. But I actually think I took it off my position somewhere around here. Yeah, this is where it is, right here. So I took my position off right here. Once we had a candle close, a down close candle from this 1 minute, I took it off because I knew we were just going to come back down. So right here is where I took it off. I did not lose too much on this trade, but yeah, that was unfortunate. And then a little bit throughout the day, we created this, I think this 15-minute order block right here. Let's look. No, might have been a 5-minute. Yeah, 5-minute order block. And we came down to here, and we started making our way back. We ran through this 15-minute for value gap. And I was looking for a retrace into this 15-minute, maybe this 30-minute for value gap at the top of here. We also did go through this order block. So I was pretty bullish here. We started slowing down up here. And at around this time right here on this 1 minute chart, I was thinking that we're probably going to go higher. And so right here, I took this entry on this 1 minute, and I got stopped out on the tick, right? Perfectly stopped out, and then I would have came up to my take profit. So I actually entered back in on this 1 minute for value gap that was created right here, and I saw we respected it, so we went up, and I entered in right here. I ended up coming down, almost getting stopped out, and then came back up. And at the time, I was in class, so my professor kept talking to me, and so I just exited out of the trade because, I don't know, I should have just left it, but I just got out of the trade just in case, and I should not have done that because I would have came up and I would have gotten my take profit. So that is unfortunate, but I'm down about like $40 on the day, or $38 on the day, not too much, basically break even. So if we go up to this daily, let's look at where we are. Let's look at how things are looking on both of these charts. I can also clear some of these things out. Let's clear this. Gotta clear all of this. All right. So, looking at this daily, let's go ahead and look at this right here real quick. We're kind of just sitting here still. We had a little bit of a move down. Let's look at the 4 hour. That would be better. The 4 hour is always a little bit better, I feel like. So, we're very, very close to taking out this buy side liquidity up here. I do want to just see us take it. I mean, we could just keep this massive SMT, which, let me see. So this action is so weird. They have not been correlated lately. So this high, this is the SMT that's going on right here. I'm actually going to draw it out. So we got this, and then we have this. So we do still have this SMT. And I mean, it's according to today's action, which was just super, it was just consolidation today. Really nothing much. Does look like we're slightly respecting this. So I'm going to have a loose bias going in tomorrow just because we also did tap into this right here, sort of like this order block right here, this wick, right? This wick tapped into it. And it respected going into the upside. So it is possible we could take this out, but that's why I just really don't have a bias for tomorrow. Let's see if there's no manipulation leg down here. But yeah, we'll see what happens. I don't really have much more to say, I don't think. I guess I could just talk about really what trades you could have also taken. So if we're looking at from when market opened, which was right here, we had this move down. So I guess you could say that whenever we displaced through this right here, this is where you can try to find a short. So I personally wouldn't have taken anything, because if we have a massive move down like this, taking out sell sides, I would want us to retrace back into 50% of this range. So if we are to come down here, I want to see a move that could go back up here and maybe take a little bit of higher time frame trade, maybe find like an order block or a fair value gap. So if we were looking right here, I would probably, I mean, I don't know if I would have really taken anything in here. Let's look at a 15-minute, maybe. Is there a fair value gap in there? Yeah, okay. I would probably take this. If I was looking at a 15-minute chart, I'd probably wait to see the reaction off of this 15-minute fair value gap, right above 50% level. And if we would have a reaction down, I would look to take a short. As you can see, we just came right back up through this. We might also see, let's try to look for a long opportunity. So I was actually, wait, did I, let me look at this, 5-minute. I don't know, but I don't know. It wasn't too high probability today. I don't know. The action just wasn't really efficient. I mean, it is a Monday. Mondays usually set us up for the week. So when you are trading Mondays, it's kind of important to just de-risk yourself, which is what I did today. But drawing these out for tomorrow, let's try to predict the night session here. So what I think is going to happen is, I think that if we're looking at this 5-minute, honestly, we're kind of just in the middle of this range. We have liquidity here, 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 and here. I really want us to see in the overnight session us come up here and take out this buy side liquidity. And tomorrow what I would like is for market open, we be up here somewhere and we dump, we go down to here, and then we also would have SMT, where we have an SMT here, and would we have SMT here as well? No. What about right here? No. Okay, no. But maybe what we could do, if you look at this, we're lower on the range here than we are right here. We're almost in the middle here. Here we're at the lower. So what's possible is we could come up here, create an SMT at these tops right here. So maybe there could be SMT like this, and then we could have SMT like this. This is what it would be ideal. And then we look for a massive down move, retrace back, and that would set us up to start going into a downtrend. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking about right now. Yeah. So that's what we're gonna see. Hope you all enjoyed this charting session, and I will see you all in the next one. Goodbye.